Hello guys, let's say that Jason is passionate about gardening and decides to start a blog to share his gardening tips and experiences. He starts the blog right away and writes about a variety of gardening topics including vegetable gardening, flower gardening, and landscaping. However, he does not conduct any niche research before starting his blog. After months of hard work, he remains unable to attract any traffic. He makes some mistakes in the beginning and finds that his content does not attract a dedicated audience because it is too broad and not focused on a specific topic. He also finds that he is unable to monetize his blog because his audience is not well defined, it is too competitive, and advertisers are not interested in reaching his readers. So, do you want to do the same? Hopefully not, because niche research is the key to success in blogging. Now, let's understand what exactly a niche blog is. Niche blogging refers to creating a blog that focuses on a specific topic or area of interest. Unlike general blogs that cover a wide range of topics, niche blogs concentrate on a particular subject, industry, or audience. The goal in niche blogging is to create content that is highly relevant and valuable to a specific group of reader rather than trying to appeal to a broad audience. Some example of niche blogs include food blogs that focus on specific diets, for example, Italian food, or travel blogs that focus on specific destinations, and personal finance blogs. Having a niche blog is incredibly important because it helps you focus your content on a specific topic and a group of people. Here are some reasons why having a niche is crucial for blogging, whether you are starting even with ChatGPT. So, the number one benefit you get with niche blog is, or selecting a niche, is that it builds a loyal audience. By creating content that is focused on a specific topic, you can attract a targeted audience that share your interests. This audience is more likely to engage with your content, share it with others, and become loyal followers. Number two, it improves your search ranking. When you focus on a specific niche, you can use targeted keywords and phrases that are relevant to your audience. This can help you improve your search engine rankings and make it easier for people to find your content. Moreover, the monetization opportunities expands. Having a niche blog allows you to attract advertisers, sponsors that are interested in reaching your specific audience. This can lead to monetization opportunities such as sponsored posts, affiliate marketing, and partnerships. Now is the time when you will select your niche. And next lecture is going to be a game changer for you, as I'll share my secret method with you for finding the most profitable niche for your blog. Till then, I'm leaving you out with one question from today's lecture. And here is the question. You have to tell me that what do you understand by the word niche? Answer me in the comment section below and see you in the next section.